I have another Disney DIY to share with you, and this time I'm using these adorable buttons to create some really fun sunglasses. I made 4 different pairs and they're all so easy to do. Look at how cute they turn out. Each pair is unique and you can customize these to your own style. This is also great if you're doing a group Disney outfit look. I started with some glasses from the dollar store, and I'm using these Disney licensed Dress It Up buttons. The first thing is that you're gonna remove the shank from the back, so grab some pliers and nip that off. You could file that down if you needed to. Next, it's time to lay out your design plan. Look at these adorable images: ice cream cones, flip-flops, and of course, a Mickey and a Minnie. I'm using some dried beans to balance my glasses in. This is just a great way to get your glasses level for when you're gluing the heavier duty pieces. I'm using some E6000 here. Now when I'm doing my little gems, I'm going to use some lightweight gem glue. So you're just gonna add that E6000 to the back of the bigger pieces, and remember, we cut that shank off. Then go ahead and place them in the corners of your glasses, and you've got time to wiggle them around and get them into position. I'm doing one on each side, and then you can use a little blue tape just to secure those into place while they are drying. Now you can just keep creating all different kinds of designs. Look at all of these cute buttons and the things that you can make. Once your big pieces are all dried, it's time to add your tiny embellishments. Look at so many different cute embellishments that you can add. I collect these, and I love using these diamond painting gems. They're lightweight. For our lightweight gems, I'm just using gem glue, and this is glue that specifically works for gems onto fabric or plastic materials. I'm using a wax pencil, or some people call it a grease pencil. These you can pick up at the office supply store, and they are my favorite tool for setting these little gems. You'll just pick up the gems and place it right into the glue. And the design ideas are endless. You'll see here with the ice cream cone, I added a little candy. With the flip-flops, I'm adding some pearls just to be like the ocean. You can really customize these glasses to your design. I'm adding some yellow right across there. The only thing I'm doing is really trying to stick with my Mickey and Minnie colors for all of the designs. Now you're gonna let these dry overnight, and once they are dry, you are ready for your adventures at Disneyland or Disney World. Look how cute these all turned out. When I wore them to the park, I had people asking me, where did you get those? Where did you get those? And I said, I DIY'd them. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe for more fun content featuring your favorite theme park DIYs.